fun!
3Doodler Create 3D Printing Pen for Teens, the world's first in a 3D printing device. Featuring improved power, durability, and reliability for a superior doodling experience, get an interactive experience. The app is packed with dedicated easy-to-follow stencils section and step-by-step interactive instructions. Receive badges for completed projects and photograph.
2.
3Doodler Start Essentials, designed with no hot parts, completely safe for kids aged 6. Pen nozzle and plastic can be touched with no burn risks. Uses only the safest 3Doodler Start plastic filaments. More Start plastics, free templates. Scrib 3D Advanced 3D Printing Pen with Display. Create, draw, doodle, sketch, and build like a pro in 3D with our new Scrib 3D Advanced Pen. It features variable speed control, a large LCD screen to help monitor heat and ensure you have the correct settings, as well as a range of other engineering enhancements to ensure a smooth and accurate doodling experience. Our most advanced 3D printing pen, designed for making accurate and creative 3D models and structures. The only limit is your imagination. Scrib 3D P1 3D Printing Pen with Display. Create, draw, doodle, and build in 3D with this affordable yet high-grade 3D pen. The new Scrib 3D P1 3D pen helps improve spatial thinking, creativity and artistic skills. Great for quality family time and as a practical tool for making handmade gifts or decorations, or for everyday fixes around the home. The P1 pen features a stepless speed function designed for optimal speed control no matter the task, whether slower intricate projects or faster infill work.
5.
Mint 3D Junior 2 3D Pen for Kids. 3D pen designed specifically for kids, with easy-to-grasp ergonomic design and low-temperature nozzle that won't burn young hands. Junior 2 is updated with the same sealed nozzle design as more advanced Mint 3D pens to stop clogs and provide countless hours of enjoyment and learning. Battery-powered, charges with micro USB, Node, AC adapter not included, works with kid-safe low-temp 1.75mm PCL filament.